So my wife and I ordered these defense pendants because we've been hearing some scary things about 5G and EMFs and Wi-Fi just really damaging your body. They came in the mail finally. Check this out. The packaging is super nice. I love this. It's got a magnetic closing feature here. Here's the pendant itself. It just looks super amazing. Can't wait to get it out here. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, so it's got this magnificent finish on the front here. This would make a great gift for anybody. Just look at this. I'm impressed. Feel the weight. It's not too heavy, but it's got a good, solid feel to it. Like it's not going to break. You could probably just drop it and, not going to ding or anything here. Here's the back of the pendant. Here's the front. As you can see, it's just beautiful. But yeah, it's got a good feel to it. I like the weight. Let's see here. The chain's nice too. Very sturdy. I was playing around with it, swinging it around. It's not going to go anywhere. Don't have to worry about that. Now let's just take a look at the box here. As you can see, they did a really cool thing here where you can see all about the harmful, I'm not getting it on the camera, but it's all about the harmful irritations that EMFs can cause. And they also give you this authenticity card here. Super neat. Looks like a credit card. Has a nice sturdy feel to it. Very professional. Really appreciate them for putting this in here with it. Here's the back. All right. So this is mine. This is the dude's version, if you will, the larger one. Ladies can also wear it if they'd like, but I like to have it a little bit bigger because I'm just a bit bigger and need some more EMF protection. And then let's take a look at my wife's. I got the silver version. She got the rose gold because it's beautiful and just like the silver. So here again, here's that wonderful opening mechanism here, and this is what hers looks like. As you can see, it's not a whole. It's smaller for sure, and it's well suited for her. It's gonna look amazing around her neck. Just beautiful thing. Like I said before, this is an amazing gift if you're looking for something. Like I said, the weight's good on this one as well, just like the silver one. It's not gonna go anywhere, but it's definitely not gonna weigh you down. You're not gonna have any marks on your neck from wearing this for more than a couple hours. You're not gonna even notice it's there, but it's definitely got a good feel to it. All right, let's do a side-by-side comparison here. As you can see, here's the silver one, here's the rose gold one. Again, they feel wonderful. I don't know, there's something about, maybe it's, they're doing their job so you can feel the EMFs being just changing the pressure around your hand. I don't know how else to explain it, but it's fantastic. My sister got one of these and helping with her anxiety, just sort of taking another thing she doesn't have to worry about out of the equation. But yeah, pick yourself up some of these. They're fantastic. Highly recommend them.